Hey yes, we're back at Rx Catering. We're not at Rx Catering, we're with Rx Catering because I'm working still, just finished. But I had to stop and just do a shout out to several people today, several companies that have been supporters of Rx Catering. And when we're busy like this, I'm super grateful. I mean, I'd rather have busy and be tired than no business and I'm wide awake, doing nothing. Anyways, started off the day 5 a.m. That's a typical day for a caterer. Well, for us at least. We had SHRM breakfast this morning, and I mean, hands down, grateful for their continued business and always recommending Rx Catering too outside of SHRM. In addition to our school lunches that we always do every day that I've neglected to show you all today. So I apologize. Just a little busy. I have a ton of pictures and stuff. I just haven't put it all together. So we have all of our school lunches today. We also had some other catering orders, and then Congressional Black Caucus, their weekly business meeting. Super grateful for them and trusting Rx Catering, recommending Rx Catering, and using Rx Catering consistently. So we're one of their preferred vendors and always grateful when they recommend us. And shout out to Representative Summer Lee's office out of Pennsylvania for using us. And then we're, finishing up the day, the night. We just finished catering for the Congressional Black Caucus Institute. Huge shout out to Andrea Lee, who is a huge supporter of Rx Catering. She's always recommending us and using us along with Jasmine. So thank you, ladies, for always trusting Rx Catering with your events. And so, man, it's 5 o'clock. I still have another meeting tonight, but it's all good. This is what I love to do. So again, if you want some catering for yourself, for your office, for your school, for an event, anything food related, check us out at rxcatering-dc.com. Have a good night. Oh my gosh, how could I forget the most important group to thank and shout out today? I mean, because it's been a crazy busy day. I know I get on their nerves because I expect and demand excellence a lot of times, and that's what we strive for at Rx Catering. So I have to give a shout out to my team, the Rx Catering team. A lot of them you don't see many times unless you have full service, but I have to give them a shout out and thank them for all their hard work to make all of this possible. We have busy, long days a lot of times, and some days they're short days, but I know this message is long. It's worthy, and they need to get their flowers. So super shout out to Renee and Willa. For those of you who don't know, they are the ones answering the phones, sometimes answering emails, taking orders, estimates, behind the scenes. And I know I get on their nerves. My mom says this. That's who Willa is. Yeah, the cat's out the bag, but I have to give her a super shout out because she's retired and she does this because she loves me and she just wants me to be successful, and so she helps. So that friendly voice that you may hear sometimes outside of Renee or myself, that's my mom. All right, so I hope you have a great evening. And again, if you want something like this, catering for anything that you may have food related, check us out at rxcatering-dc.com. Have a good one.